Okay, I've got 6 ounces here. That's going to be more than I need, but I'll need it for another project. Have a good squirt of this green. I have no idea how many drops that was. Again with my little coffee stirrer spoon. And because it's a chunky fine mix, I stirred it around a bit before I scooped it. Okay. Now, as you can see, you'll have to stir this really good because the alcohol ink or resin dye, whatever you're adding, will want to stick to the sides of the cup. So you want to stir it till it's really stirred in. Okay, plus that glitter. Clean up my little bit of mess here. Okay. And here we go. Okay, now I know I've got, like I said, more than I need. And it's not the perfect cup for pouring. Okay, sorry about that. It's a concentrated pour. That one did nicely. Over poured that one just a bit. And that green one needs a little bit more. Alright, let's see. What can we clean this up with? Okay. Clean that up with a bit of baby wipe, wiping towards the molded section. So that you can stick your finger in it. Alright. That one all messy everywhere. And when I got baby wipes, I told myself I should get 2. Did I listen? No. Alright. Let's try this again. It's that one. And that is that one. Alright. I'll move these to my drying rack. And we'll be back and demold them in the morning. I'm so excited. Here they are. I don't even want to demold them. They're so pretty. Look how they turned out. I'm afraid they're going to be prettier on the back side. Okay, so let's do the business. Let's demold them. Had a little overspill on this one. No big deal. I'm going to demold all three of them before I let you look at them. Sorry. Came pretty clean. Okay, let's see if we can get some ASMR. There's a bit left between right there. Sorry about that. Alright. Okay, here we are. Get the molds out of the camera just so we have a clean shot. Wow, that turned out amazing. I was planning on antiquing it and all kinds of stuff to get those prickles to show up. That is sweet. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm loving it. Really pretty. This almost needs a flower on top, but just like a just like on some of these other ones, I have plans to I have plans to, like, I'd put a bead on the edge of the tail there, so I could put a pink bead on top of that cactus. Alright. So cute from the back. I love it. Of course, it'll need a little sanding and stuff. Probably should have just done them clear. The green clear, because that is a pretty color. But anyway. Perfect little arrangement. On one of those phone holder ring dishes. That would be cute. Alright. Plenty of places to put your rings. Make a great background for for a phone holder. Alright, that'll be one of the next videos. We'll pour a coaster mold or something, and we'll do a phone holder. Alright? Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh my goodness. The links for everything, the silicone, the resin dyes, the glitter, all of that will be listed in the link below. Oh my gosh, it'll be my Amazon shop. I'll get a little kickback from if you order anything. Y'all have no idea how tired I get of saying that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. Bye for now.